The McLaren W1 stands as one of the most advanced hypercars ever created, a masterpiece of engineering that redefines the boundaries of performance and technology. Designed as the true successor to the iconic McLaren P1, the W1 continues the legacy of innovation that made McLaren a symbol of speed, precision, and aerodynamic beauty. The W1's design captures both aggression and elegance. Every contour of its body is sculpted with aerodynamic intent, from the razor-sharp front splitter to the sweeping rear diffuser. The car's surface is finished in a golden, egg yolk yellow metallic paint with deep glossy reflections, a tone that mirrors the heat and brilliance of the desert sun. Under light, the paint shifts with subtle warmth, emphasizing the car's muscular curves and lightweight carbon fiber structure. Its chassis is a full carbon monocoque, developed using McLaren's F1 grade technology. This rigid yet feather-light frame forms the heart of the P1's stability and speed. The front and rear active aero systems constantly adjust to airflow, creating downforce and balance even at extreme velocities. The result is a car that remains stable and confident, even when slicing through air at over 400 kilometers per hour. At the center of this machine lies its true power, a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter V8 hybrid system producing an astonishing 275 horsepower. The hybrid configuration blends electric torque with turbocharged thrust, creating a seamless wave of acceleration that feels both violent and controlled. The response is immediate. Power delivery is instant. The W1 accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.3 seconds, pushing the driver back with breathtaking force. Despite its incredible power, the W1 is not only about straight-line speed. Its active suspension system, adaptive steering, and electronic torque vectoring ensure razor-sharp handling. Whether on a racetrack or a desert highway, the car delivers unmatched control, keeping its tires firmly locked to the road. The W1 doesn't just drive, it connects with the surface beneath it like a living organism tuned to perfection.